Today is very special day, guys, because it's my daughter's birthday. She is 17 years old. I'm so old. I feel like I'm so old. So happy birthday, my baby. Yeah, so we have to start cooking. I'm by myself because Anthony is not here. Yes. Happy birthday, Ate Carla. This is for you. So yeah, guys, Anthony is not here, so I have to do it by myself, all the cooking. I have some friends will come here later. Yeah, I have some friends will come join us later. Labas ko na ang angay ilabas ah. Dami kong luluto. Saan ko kayo lutuon? Ako daw sa magaluto. So, see you later. Itong lutuin natin guys, magpansit tayo. Kahit ano na. Kahit ano na yung gawa natin. Oh, I'm cooking. And po, hirap mag-isa. Char, pinakanta ka na eh. Apitada tayo. Madami tayong lulutuin guys. Ako, ano to? Bakit dito to? Ako lang mag-isa. Sinong pwedeng tutulong dyan? Just for my humba. Guys, I'm making my humba. Guys. This is what I cook for my baby girl. I have this one. I forgot the name. Minudo. Kasama siya, guys. And I have fish. Scabici. We call this in the Philippines scabici. So like sweet and sour. And I have some spaghetti. Sweet spaghetti. And we have this one. Fancy. And we have this one. This humba. No, kasabot sa kong humba. Kairain ang lang black beans. Nga, basta humba na siya guys. Ang luto ko. For my baby girl. For my Carla. Happy birthday, Carla. This is for you. Birthday na, just ask because daddy is not here again. Kami lang dito guys. Kami lang, walang ibang tao. Ito yung sobra ng sauce ng spaghetti. Iko, just us, just me, Carla, and Thea. Gablaw food. I cook all day for the time goes by so fast guys. Ang bilis ng panahon. Now she's 17 years old. Ang cute-cute naman ang baby na to. Ilang taon na to?
Dalawa.
Parang anak niyo ba? Parang anak niyo ni kasi maliit.
September.
Kasi maliit din.
Ba, nadali mo bisita mo?
Ha? We have a lot of food
I
because
didn't expect this.
So-
Thank you, Mom.
you're welcome. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Good job.
Ang cute naman ng baby
You
na
want
yan.
this cheese?
Cheese, cheese, cheese. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Yes!
Oh, wow.
Sige dong, sige dong. Ingat kayo dong. Day! Sige, bye-bye.
I wasn't expecting.
Asas.
I wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
Like,
Si Kuan, si Unsay yun niya, si...
The rice, the rice. Huwag ganahan tag-rice, the rice. Yeah.
I wasn't expecting this much.
From Daddy. Daddy bought it.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Cute.
he can't put a happy birthday because he ordered it by Instacart. So, yun.
Thank you.
Huwag yung ko kabago lang.
Nagsakit akong dugo. Nag-shoot na murag may sapa. Palit niyo din $15 sa isa. Ingat,
Lagi.
50 pesos. Napayagi ko na 4 pieces for 200 pesos. Isa ka balik bayan box. Hindi ko sanay na nilang gawa.
Hindi pa maligya.
May pamaligyan lang tag 50.
No way.
Thea, you happy? You have playmates now?
Not really, because I miss Kim's daughter.
What?
Because I miss Kim's daughter.
You miss Kim's daughter?
Okay.
Just go play with them. Nabaguhan siya dahil kay katong usa ka baby. Katong sa hapong kuan. Kamao naman. Sige magsunod niya. Ganahan siya. Yan ka na kaya. Yan naman siya ikaw galing kay Baon mo kasi gasag to. So, siya na kaya. Oh my God. Diba? So, kaya na doon.
What is that? What is that?
Mama.
Isabella have something for Tay. It's a fluffy. She will give it later.
Oh, thank you.
She gave me that one and the cute thing.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yung mga classmate, this is the best, this one.
Come on.
The cassava cake is so good. I have to look for the candle. Okay. This is for Ate Kara.
That's my thing.
Okay.
You have to. Oh, it's my birthday. No, tomorrow. Yesterday it was my birthday. It was my birthday.
Happy birthday